The sky is not what you think. What if I told you that when you looked up at the sky, instead of just the moon and stars, you saw this massive glowing ring stretching across the entire horizon? It would be the most breathtaking sight in human history. But hold on, would these rings be a blessing or a curse? Because what if I told you having rings could lead to the destruction of our planet? Let's dive into the shocking truth of what would happen if Earth had rings like Saturn. For Earth to have rings, something catastrophic would need to happen, like a moon-sized asteroid crashing into us. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, a planet-sized object called Theia actually smashed into Earth, creating our moon. But what if some of that debris had formed rings instead? If history had taken a slightly different turn, we could be living on a planet with epic cosmic rings circling above us. Earth's rings wouldn't be as massive as Saturn's, but they would still be breathtaking. If made of ice, they'd reflect sunlight and glow brilliantly in the night sky. If made of rock and dust, they could look golden, red, or even multicolored. Just imagine walking outside and seeing this cosmic masterpiece stretching across the sky every single day. With rings, our world would be completely different. Sunsets would be more colorful than ever, as the rings scattered sunlight into surreal shades of pink, orange, and purple. But wait, what about the dark side of having rings? The rings would block sunlight in some areas, causing strange weather patterns. Some parts of the world might even experience permanent twilight. And it doesn't stop there. Rings could even alter gravity. Rings might seem beautiful, but they wouldn't last forever. Over time, gravity would pull the debris down into Earth's atmosphere, creating constant meteor showers. And if a large asteroid ever crashed into the rings, boom, the impact could send deadly fireballs raining down on our cities. Even worse, space travel would become nearly impossible. Satellites, space stations, and even future Mars missions could be destroyed by colliding with ring debris. So, would rings really be a gift? Or would they be a ticking time bomb? Could Earth ever gain rings in the future? Maybe. If a giant asteroid shattered near Earth, temporary rings could form, but they'd only last a few thousand years. Or maybe one day humans will create artificial rings made of space stations, solar panels, or even floating cities. A ringed Earth may not be just a fantasy, it could be part of our future. But here's the biggest twist of all. Maybe it's a good thing we don't have rings. What if our lack of rings is the reason life on Earth was able to survive and evolve? Maybe rings would have brought disaster instead of beauty. So, here's the question for you. If you had the power to give Earth rings right now, would you do it? Let me know in the comments. And if you love space mysteries, hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing cosmic stories. See you in the next video.